this system, we're going to solve by substitution, which means we need to isolate a variable in one of the equations. I notice this first equation, it won't be too hard to isolate the y. We're going to do that by first subtracting 3x from both sides, and then we're going to have to multiply by -1 to make it a positive y instead of a negative y. Let's first subtract 3x from both sides. That gives me negative y equals negative 3x plus 3. If we now multiply everything by -1, that will make this a positive y equals positive 3x minus 3. Since y equals this value, we're going to take and substitute this for the y in the other equation. That gives us a new equation of 4x plus 5 times 3x minus 3 equals negative 15, replacing this y with the expression that it equals. If we now distribute, we get 15x minus 15. We still have our 4x out front, and that's going to all equal negative 15. Combining your x's here, we get 19x minus 15 equals negative 15. If we now move our negative 15 by adding 15 to both sides, we're left with a 19x over here. Adding 15 to that makes it disappear. And when I add 15 to that, I get 0. Now, if I just divide by 19, my x will be isolated, and x ends up being 0. Now that I know x is 0, I can replace it into this expression and find out what my y is. Y will be 3 times 0 minus 3, which ends up being y equals negative 3. So the point where these two lines will cross is 0, negative 3.